Okay. So what do the first two muscles names end with, guys? They end with intercostal, yes or no?
Yes.
What does the word costal mean, anyone?
Ribs.
Ribs, yes. Costal means ribs, and what does inter means in between? So where will you find these guys? You'll find them where?
In between the ribs.
You'll find them in between the ribs. Yes, guys, you'll find them in between the ribs. If you look at this picture, guys, these are in between the ribs. These are also in between the ribs. Agree or no? So since they're in between the ribs, you call them what? Intercostals, right? And how many types of intercostals are there? Two. One is on the outside, one is on the inside. So what would you call the on the outside? External, and the one on the inside of the. And we will learn about these in the next semester. They help us with breathing out, breathing in and breathing out, right? So a good way for me to identify them is the direction of the fibers. Can you see the direction of fibers are different? But yeah, I don't want you to remember that. That's really hard. Can you see another thing, differentiating point between them related to the sternum, guys?
That's the sternum, right?
So you can see that
It goes all the way down.
yes, the ones that are internal, they actually go they're into the ribs and they go all the way till the sternum. You can see that, yes or no, guys?
Yes.
But these ones, they stop at some point. Yes, they do not. You see this empty space. You understand that? These are the external or internal?
External.
These are internal. What does that mean? It means that if you see the whole chest muscles, you will see that the external stop at some point, but the internal you can see. You get it, guys?
Yeah.
Excellent. So let me show you pictures. Look at this picture, guys. These are the ribs, agree?
Yeah.
In between the ribs, can you see these muscles?
Yes.
What would you call this? Since they're coming till the sternum, what would you call this muscle, guys?
Internal.
Agree or no? You call it the internal intercostal. But can you see these muscle that have stopped here? So what would you call these muscles here?
External.
So are you guys happy with the internal and external?
Yes.
All right. Let me ask you another question. What is this arrow pointing at?
Internal.
You awesome, guys. Good job. And how about this one?
External.
Excellent. How about this one?
Internal.
You are the best. Good job, guys. This is internal, right? You're looking at the chest from the inside, right? You cannot see external here at all, right?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
All right. We're done with the two intercostals. That's so bad, right? Now let's look at the. Oh, God, I'm very much. Serratus anterior. And again, what does the word serrated means? Serrated, right? Just like a serrated knife or a saw, right?
Yeah.
So the best, I'll show you the best picture first. Not the best, one of the best. Can you see these guys here? All these are, this is the what? Serratus anterior. It's coming all the way from the back, guys. But it mostly it's lateral, but you only see the what do you call serrations on the front. That's why it's called the what? And since it's on, huh?
Does it go all the way up?
Yes, all the way to the scapula at the back. You here for the open lab? All right.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see it here also, guys. Serratus anterior. That's pretty good, right? So you good with the serratus anterior, guys? You can see partially here also, right?
Yeah.
And again, once we go over all the muscles, we can quickly run through them, and then I can ask you questions. So once you're mastered all of them, all right? Okay. So you've done with the serratus anterior, and now let's look at the four muscles. How many muscles?
Or
Four muscles. So what's the muscle right in the middle called, guys? That's the. What does the word rectus mean? Rectus means straight fibers. What does rectus mean? Straight fibers. It's coming from the ribs, the xiphoid process to the pubic symphysis. So that's the six-pack thingy, right? Or the eight-pack. That's the rectus abdominis. So what is this muscle here, guys? Rectus. We also have a rectus on the thigh, right, guys? What do we call that? Rectus? Femoris. Lara is the best. Yes. Right. So this is the rectus abdominis. And then we have these two muscles on the sides. They're called oblique. Why are they called oblique? Because the fibers are not straight. They're not called rectus. They're called what? Oblique muscles, isn't it? But the oblique muscles, one is on the outside, one is on the inside. So obviously we will call one of them the external oblique. The one on the inside is called what? Internal oblique. But a good way for me to remember, I look at the direction of the fibers, guys. So let's say this is my. So just like my hands, when I put it in my pocket, I put it this way, right?
Yeah.
So the external oblique, the fibers are running downwards and forwards. You get it? But the internal, it's opposite at right angles. They run upwards and forwards. You get it? So in this picture, what is this muscle here?
external.
Everyone agrees? It's external. Why? Because it's running like this. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
It's running downwards and forwards. Agree? How about this one here?
Internal.
It is running not like this. It is running like this. Agree? It's running at right angle to this one. Agree?
Yeah.
So this is what?
Internal.
Any questions about the internal and the external oblique? You guys good?
Yes.
All right. And then we have one muscle on the inside. That is, muscles are not straight. They're not diagonal. They're running horizontal, right? Horizontal. So what would we call them? Transverses. Can we see them here? No, it's really deep, right? So the only place you see them, how, when you're looking at this model from the inside. Agree? Can you see this one here, guys?
Yeah.
You cannot miss it here. That's the transversus abdominis. And with the muscles of the thorax and the abdomen, any questions, guys?
No.
You guys are excellent. We are almost halfway there.